Have you ever heard of network marketing? Do you know why 80% of people do not get success in network marketing? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Self Pathmaker. Today in this video I will tell you how you can get success in network marketing. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, is a business model where individuals sell products and services directly to consumers and also recruit others to do the same. While some people have had success with network marketing, it's important to do your research and be cautious before getting involved. Here are some things to consider. Research the company and its products thoroughly. Understand the compensation plan and how you will be paid. Be prepared to invest time and money into your business. Don't rely solely on recruiting others to make money. Be aware of potential legal issues and pyramid schemes. Remember, network marketing can be a great way to make money and build your own business, but it's not for everyone. Do your due diligence and make an informed decision. How 20% people become successful in network marketing. On the other hand, network marketing also helps us in our personality building. So I personally suggest everyone should do network marketing at least once in life, and instead of focusing on earning money, focus on personality development. 20% of successful people in network marketing pay attention to this first. What do you think? Have you ever considered getting involved in network marketing? Tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And we'll see you in the next video.